Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to our final day of Junk Journal January for 2026. Can't believe we're already at our final daily creative challenge for this January. So let's grab our junk journal and dive into the prompt of reflection for today's final day. And I decided to use this spread with the tuck spot here in the just absolute back of my journal. And I did get out one of these fortune cookies because it was in a packaging that was really reflective, and I thought I could use the packaging for something. So let's figure out our fortune first. I don't really know what it said, and I just decided to cut this packaging to size to make it kind of a round shape like a mirror, and make it more like this reflection kind of one-on-one translation in a way. First, when I did set up the whole Promptlist and decided on reflection for the final day, I thought it would be a good way to just reflect on the monthly journey of the Junk Journal January challenge, and this could be a good part. But now I'm just taking it a bit more literally, or a bit more figuratively, or I don't know which one it is for now. But I just wanted to include this little reflective space, and maybe I can just write a bit about the journey of the Junk Journal January challenge on the back of this card here. To be honest, I'm really happy with how this challenge went and all the creative fun we all had together. I hope you had as much fun with the Junk Journal January challenge as I had. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And I can't wait to make a tour on the completed flip through of this beautiful, now kind of really thick and chunky junk journal. This one will be coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button to join me on my creative journey and not miss out on any further creative fun. There will be a bunch of more creative adventures come very soon, and there will more monthly daily challenges for our creations and create alongside with me come in 2026 as well. But for now, for February, we take a little break. Not from regular videos, they will come, promise, but just from the daily videos. The editing is a lot of fun. I love it and I enjoy it a lot, but it also gets a lot of work in the end. And if you do it for 31 days daily, it kind of adds up, I guess. But it was a lot of fun, and I'm really happy that I did stick with it and that you enjoyed all the videos so much. So I'm really proud of our creative journey together. Now let's just add a few more little decorative elements to the spread, and can't wait to show you all the final result of this Junk Journal January full journal very soon. Now let's add some more reflective, shiny stars to the spread. Hopefully those one will stick better. We will see. But I just really wanted to add some more shiny things to the spread to add a bit more of magic and whimsy and so on. And you know me, I'm just obsessed with stars, I guess. That's nothing I can, or I don't want to doubt that or fight it. Anyway, I'm completely fine with being it. I hope you enjoyed this final creative session for the Junk Journal January Challenge of 2026. Can't believe how fast this month has been flying by us. I hope you had as much creative fun as I had. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating.